Alright, so today we're going to demonstrate a rope saw. I was actually fairly cautious about buying this thing because, you know, it could be a gimmick. You don't know how it works. You spend 30 bucks for nothing. But let me show you what it is. It comes in this little package. It's actually the same blade that's on my chainsaw. And you throw it up over the limbs that you can't reach, and it basically, you loop it around and then use this rope saw, manpower. So this looks like a regular chainsaw blade, but you can actually see it's got cutters on both sides. So we're going to actually start with this lowest limb. It's actually a pretty good sized limb. That's probably a 10-inch diameter. You just throw it over top and then pull it down the other side. Make sure your saw blade is nice and straight. Now we've got it over the branch. I got my partner on that side. And we're just going to start manually pushing and pulling it back and forth. Ready?
Yeah. So to get those high branches, we need to use a weight on the string, and we can lob it up over the branch and then connect the rope saw to the end of the string to get it up high. So I'm gonna target that branch up there, so I'm just gonna throw it over. Right in there. So now, with the end, I'm gonna attach the rope saw to it. So now we can just heave it up through.
Once you get to the top, just line it up so your saw blade is in the middle of the tree.
Easy as that. Ready?
So one thing I learned, we've actually used this a couple times already. One thing I learned is when you're doing it, it's better to have two people, because what happens is, like these limbs, if you're right underneath doing the saw back and forth, it's going to be like that, and when the limb starts to fall, it's going to pinch right there. So you want to have it not so much like a U, but more like a V, like out to the sides. So that way it's sawing down from the top and doesn't get pinched. Plus, if you're sawing it and you're right underneath the limb, it could fall on your head. And that would just be plain dumb. Ignoramos. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more renovation videos.
Go.
Thanks for watching.
No.
What do you want me to say?
Thanks for, do it enthusiastically. Thanks for watching and subscribe. That was a rope saw. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more renovation. Go.
Thanks for watching this.
Go.
Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.
Stop. Go.
Sure glad you joined us today.
Stop.
Look, oh, nice easy little package.
Go.
Thanks for watching.
That was good.
You say it.
No, you're the host.
Thanks for watching our video.
No, say it.
No, we can put any of these in.
Yeah, say it. Say it.
Thanks for watching and
Bird looks like the
subscribe.
No,
Monkey and
literally,
Falcon.
the only time he actually did it right, Ben was talking.
Dad's the starting show. Dad's the starting show.